Okay, everyone, you're gonna come here. You're gonna click on individual. All right. I'm gonna put my name here. All right, email. Okay. Scroll down. Put my phone number. All right. Click next. Date of birth. I'm just gonna make up a date of birth. 1/1. Let's make sure we're old enough. Okay. 67. Gender. Address. I'm sending it 223. Okay, postal code 27529, city, town, Garner, state, province, North Carolina. All right, years moved, we'll just say back in 10. Don't need a website, Skype, no. Password, must have one capital letter, lowercase letters, some numbers, and some type of symbol, okay? Capital, lowercase, some numbers, and some type of symbol. All right, click next. All right, then you start to ask for your personal information. This is in Euro here, but I know my numbers, and I don't really think it matters. They just want information. Employment status. Okay, source of income is going to be my investment. I trade Forex, yes. I understand that there is a risk. I do not have previous professional, okay? Currency is going to be USD for me. Platform is going to be the MT4, not the PAM, MT4. I don't use the select account type is going to be a micro account. Currency going to be USD for me. I don't receive a bonus. Now I've read this. Going to complete. Okay. Now I have to go and check my email right quick. Let me go check my email. Okay, I got my email, so let me refresh this. Actually, let me close that out and let me log into it now. LQDFX. Okay. I'll go on and click on login. Okay, now I'm logged in. Okay. I'm logged in my account. Now, first thing I got to do, it will not let me open up anything. Let me get rid of it. Will not let me do anything until I actually upload my documents. Please upload your documents, okay? So you want to click on that. What I normally do is for my ID, I take a picture of it with my cell phone, email it to myself. That way I can open it up on my computer. I go to my Gmail account, download the picture, then I can drop and drag the front, drop and drag the back. It must have your full name, your driver's license number, or whatever, your birthday. It must include all that, okay? Front and back, okay? And of course, you don't need that information on the back, but some, it's just information on the front. But make sure. Then you come down, scroll down, proof of residence, utility bill or bank statement, okay? Full copy. It has to be the full copy showing all four corners. It cannot be cropped or anything. Has to show your full name, your physical address, matching the address that you used when you signed up. Can't be more than 3 months old. Got to be a utility bill, okay? Once you do all that, all of this will say in verification process. You cannot do anything else until it's complete. Once that's complete, then you can come over to to your trading account, right? And you can open up a demo account and a live account. It won't allow you to open up a live account yet until your documents are done. Okay, so that's what we need to do. That's what you need to do to open up your LQDFX account.